Hello, have a good day. Today's vlog is I will introduce to you some of our establishments here in Chuk. So right here opposite to Mormon Church we have one store here. I'm introducing stores, hotels, and yeah, any kind. So right here we have one, what's that, mommy? Laundry here. Laundry, this portion. Alright. So this is one village, Chuk. Yeah, nice place. Close to ocean. Kilometer from Mormon Church going to town. We have also one store here, Marlon store. So people from Neo, not sometimes, but all the time they also. And there is also barber shop here. 3M barbershop. Oh, the store here, 3M. They have store at the same time barbershop. Alright, so from here we will proceed to town. There we go. And next to Marlon store we have also store here. Alright, here we go. I don't know, but at least you know that there is also a store here opposite at Chunapar store. Chunapar store. And before municipal, we know municipal building, we have one gas station here. That's gas station. And also there is store here selling bread. One of my students. Here we go. They're also selling gas. And we have here the municipal office building. Side, that's one elementary school. And next to one elementary school, the truck stop. Hotel. That's a hotel. Restaurant, of course. Hotel, restaurant. And I don't know what's that building. Then we have also washing area here. Car wash area. Right side. And we will go very quick. Just very quick, Mama. And this side here, this is our FSM Bank. That's the FSM Bank. Right side, FSM Bank. And we have also food house here, Zion Food House. Okay, that's Zion Food House. So in front of us, that's AWM Shopping Center. Alright, so it's just back this time. Showing to you that here in Chuk you have everything. You have everything. Those tourists, yeah, you will enjoy it. So before going to different activities, diving or hopping, swimming, snorkeling. Many stores. Here, right beside you, we have stores. And left side. Oh wait. Yeah. My right side here, you can see MR Bake Shop. Oh, MR Bake Shop. And left side, that's our vital energy for life. Gas. Careful over there. That's the reason why cars now are running, because of gas. So we have also there the Marawats, Raspberry. And right there, right side, that's Uncle Guam. Money. The next to this one is Shigeru store. And left side, that's Women's Council building. And to my right side, that's Yamaha selling engines, boat engines, and many other kinds of products inside. Fishing tools. So right side here, we have different stores selling escato and different local foods, bread, many things. And there is one also opening here, Jefferson Development Bank, right side, and our national police station, state police station. And so many stores here, right side, selling escato. And to my left side and right side, that's Island Mart. Temporarily, they are selling or they display their products. That right side store. So market side, left side. Easy. Oh, you can see Saki store. On my right side. Right side, Saki. Two buildings here. And my left side now, that's Sami store branch. And of course, we have also, what's that now? Saki? Cash and Kiwi left side, and right side, my friend's gas station, restaurant. Left side, another gas station. And right side, that's Western Union building right there. They have also store. And here we go, you can see now the seaside. Sosomo gas station and apartments. And many stores also, of course, right here beside. Selling local foods. And the branch of iSolution. Left side, that's Lucky Fast Food, owned by Kuya Steve. We have also store there selling scato and different kinds of local foods. Another store here, and to my left side, that's one-stop store selling different kinds of products. And to my right side, that's car wash, Lucky 8. If you want, if there is problem with your car, you can go there. And of course, Dudley Jordan shop. And we have also a market here selling vegetables and different kinds of foods, kati. There you go. To my right side, that's now Beria School. And next to it is the 101 store. 101. And we have a new store here. How is that? There is good store. left side, that's COM store. And right side, of course, is, you can see the name there, Ace Hardware. Next door, Ace Hardware, we have store here. What's this? Braille Family Store. There you go. That's COM, left side. Welcome to COM FSM. Yes, now here we go. So we'll go right side. This road is going to different government offices. And we go left side because we will send some money to our friends. Alright, here we go. So it's open today. Good job. So that's all for today. This is MoneyGram. MoneyGram, you can send money and you can receive money here. They have also store. His and hers. Alright, thank you. Bye bye. Please support my page, Kuya Novo, and also my YouTube channel, Kuya Novo. Bye bye. See you. I hope you enjoy.